Hi, we're at Ashland University and we know that financial aid and the FAFSA can be a really overwhelming process. So we wanted to help break that down for you and show you what you need to start the FAFSA and how to get started filing that. So today we have Don Langdon, a financial aid counselor, here to walk us through that process. Don?
Hello, we're going to talk about how to start a FAFSA. The first step is for you to create an FSA ID. You are strongly encouraged to create this FSA ID, and it will be your account username and password. You can access federal student aid's features, tools, and use your FSA ID as your legal signature. You will need your social security number, mobile phone, and personal email address handy. These items must be unique to you. So to start, you go to studentaid.gov and select Create Account. Then click on Get Started. So who needs an FSA ID? Well, the first person is the student, since they're the ones actually applying for financial aid using the FAFSA. But we will also need one parent to create their own FSA ID if that student is considered a dependent. This is a screenshot of the Create an Account screen. As you'll see, there are different bullet points here showing what you can use your account for. First, you would use it for your FAFSA. This is so you can electronically sign it, both the student and the parent. The student can sign their master promissory note. They can apply for repayment plans, complete loan entrance counseling, and use the public service loan forgiveness help tool. Again, you'll need your social security number, your mobile phone number, and your email address, and these must be unique to you. Once you're ready to apply, just click on Get Started. When you create an account, there are going to be 7 different screens. First of all, you're going to provide your personal information, then your account information, contact information, communication preferences. There will be 4 challenge questions, and then you're going to confirm and verify everything that you entered into the application. Lastly, you're going to do an account recovery where they're going to send you something to your mobile phone or your email for you to confirm that those are actually correct. If you entered an email address, you will receive a confirmation email. This might show up in your spam if you don't see it in your inbox, so make sure you check your spam. Make sure that you note your username and password and keep them in a safe place. This is important because you will need to use that FSA ID every year you complete a FAFSA. We also want to ensure that it's safe so that you don't have an issue with identity theft. Now you can log in and complete the FAFSA. So the second step is to choose the way that you want to complete the FAFSA. Option 1 is to use a computer. You can go to studentaid.gov and click on Login, or you can use the mobile app. This is a brand new feature that Federal Student Aid has put together over the last several years. It is very easy to use. So you have the option of using a computer, or you can use the mobile app. I found a great resource online on how to create an FSA ID. This goes into a lot more detail than what I am. So if you need further information, I highly recommend that you look up how to create an FSA ID on the internet and take a look at that wonderful video. If you have questions, our counselors are available to help you. We assign students to a counselor based on their last name, and each one of us are willing to help you if you have questions. You can also email us or give us a call. Our phone number 419-289-5002, or our email financialaid@ashland.edu. Thank you.